everyone. I had to rush out here because, I'm going the wrong way. I had to rush out here because it's way lighter than I thought it was gonna be at this time. Sunrise wasn't until like 6:50, and it was 6 o'clock when I woke up, and I could see light, so we had to get out here. This is my first time I've been out scouting, and I think I've already heard my first gobble. It was a ways off. Ways off, like way over there. But it's chilly out. There's like no wind. But this is probably gonna be one of the only episodes of Talking Turkeys. If not, maybe another one. Otherwise, that's it, because this is really the only piece I wanted to scout. I heard one way back there. This just gets me fired up. Hearing my first gobble of the year. Woo, 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 woo. Like, 5 of them just answered me, dude. This might be a short video. Holy crap, yeah, we're gonna go over there. Maybe we gotta go down the road where we heard all those other ones this morning. Just found the freaking turkeys, bro. My goodness, that is bright. Bro, they're so far away, my camera barely gets them. They're actually hundreds of yards away, dude. They're a little out of my jurisdiction. Oh, another strutter just came out, dude. That's one thing about these early season gobblers, man. I'm gonna be hunting them early this year. They are liking the big groups still. So who owns this? I don't want to wrap it up just yet. Might do some more stuff. Might do some door knocking. Not 100% sure. I can't wait. We're gonna put a pin here. We might do something about it. Alright, we're going out to the range now. This will be a good thing for the Talking Turkeys. I'm taking out my gun. And then we're shooting at these targets here. I'm gonna be shooting my 12 gauge Mossberg 835 extra full choke with, I think, this is what we're gonna be shooting at, with Longbeard XR 3-inch 5-shot. So yeah, my dad's gonna be shooting his Mossberg 500 with, I'm not sure what he's shooting, but let's do it. Oh, dude.
some goblin like right in there. And a lock goblin back there.